Hôtel elysee Val d'Europe is a welcoming 4-star hotel in the heart of Val d'Europe, Serris, just across from the RER train station and minutes from the massive Val d'Europe shopping center. A Disneyland Paris partner hotel, it offers a free shuttle, 10 to 15 minutes, to the parks, making it ideal for families or Disney fans who want convenient access without staying on site. The modern building blends contemporary comfort with Parisian touches in a lively yet practical location, perfect for combining theme park days with shopping and easy trips into Paris. The 152 spacious, air-conditioned rooms, from 24 square meters, sleep up to 4, with connecting options for larger groups. Expect comfortable beds, quality linens, flat-screen TVs, tea-coffee facilities, minibars, and modern bathrooms with powerful showers. Many rooms are bright and well-maintained, though some show minor signs of wear typical of high-traffic Disney area hotels. Amenities include a fitness room, business center, meeting spaces, and a pleasant terrace. The free Disneyland shuttle runs regularly, and secure parking is available. Dining centers on Le Georges restaurant, serving French classics with vegan and gluten-free options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The breakfast buffet earns consistent praise for its variety of fresh pastries, eggs, fruits, cheeses, and local specialties, though it's an added cost if not included in your rate. Le Diplomate Bar offers cocktails and light bites in a relaxed setting. Activities focus on convenience, direct access to shopping, quick Disney shuttles, and RER trains to central Paris. Pros include the unbeatable location for Disneyland and shopping, free shuttle, friendly and efficient staff, spacious and clean rooms, solid food quality, and excellent value compared to on-site Disney hotels. However, some rooms feel dated with occasional maintenance niggles like temperamental air conditioning or minor stains. Breakfast can be pricey when not packaged, queues form at peak times, and the bustling area brings some street noise. Overall, Hôtel elysee Val d'Europe delivers practical comfort, superb transport links, and genuine convenience for memorable Disney and Paris adventures without the premium on-site price tag.